beep. I met a lot of foreigners here, from Thai people to even Russians. Pretty chill people. It's time for us to get down now. You need to know how to bargain in Thailand. We got scooter taxi for 100 baht each. Helmet compulsory. Yep. First homestay in Koh Samui. Dark clouds. The GoPro got switched off while recording, so we had a small nap now. By the way, this is Kanya's room. Very cute property, extremely cute. They have like a cute sit out here. Like a back alley. There's the washroom here. And now let's go on top and check out the bedroom. This is a cute bedroom. And the view of the hall from here. Wife is gonna relax, it seems. So I'll be going on a solo adventure on this cute cycle. Go explore the streets of Koh Samui. Which one do I choose? Look at the cat too. Look at the size. Test ride. Ooh. Some shaky vehicle, no dude. Fuck. The front brake isn't working at all. Moment of truth. I hope I come back in one piece. No. The tire is punctured. The front tire is punctured. Can't take this. Some off-roading vehicle this is. Calm down, doggy. At least hope that's working alright. I don't know what zamane ka cycle this is. This is a good experience. Super flat roads, so cycling is very easy. This is me telling while going. I don't know what will happen while coming back, but anyways, wish me luck. to my channel. Welcome to Thailand Diaries Part 2. It's a very pleasant day in Koh Samui today. I did a bit of cycling, so super tired. The place is very nice. If you're coming here, I think you have to stay here. Thailand Diaries lovers. Today we are already tired, so we won't be doing any activities today, but we'll be I think hiring a few cycles and exploring the island, and of course eat some food. Okay, now we're headed towards the pier to have lunch. Information on the 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃 place. You have to take a left here near this big ass dolphin. Is it a dolphin or a whale? It looks more like a whale. Hi, 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. Backwaters in Koh Samui, Nathon area. I was pronouncing it wrong. Hey, we finally reached the shop. Let us see what the cost is and pick some cool ass cycle. Not just tired one. Oh, look at this. Oh. Look at this beast, dude.
But some bike not have brake, you know, and to buy not my bike, not my bicycle. This one my bicycle.
Okay.
But I need for change brake and
Back brake?
yeah. Oh, not my brake, gear.
No,
Cannot
no.
change for gear.
Back brake is working. Oh, the cycle guy is asking 5,000 baht advance. And there are a lot of terms and conditions applied to that. So we are deciding to take the same cycle, and tomorrow may rent a bike. Everything is costly here. Going back to the same pier to have some food, hoping that food is good. Have all my saman in the basket there. We are stopping at Sunset Restaurant. Where do I park my crazy ass fucking bicycle? Oh, no. Don't try to fuck. It's really a budget trip. The beach. The Gulf of Thailand. Hey, कौन है? Hi. Table for two? Yeah. Oh, can we get pizza here as well?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hi. How much is it? Nice place. We witnessed the sunset and we're going back home. Some good food after all. Nice pizza. We'll be doing activities tomorrow, hopefully. So let's go back home and relax. Cycle back 2 more kilometers. Sunset Beach, Koh Samui. To end this day, we're gonna have a small barbecue party with the homestay owner, Miss Kanya, and then call it a day. See you on the part 3.
4 years.
But
Because
earlier it was 3,
they
now
make gain,
4.
yes, because your country